Hey there! I want to show you how to install the Wrangle app in your Zendesk workspace. First, make your way over to Zendesk in your admin center. On the left-hand side, you'll notice the option for Apps and Integrations. Once you've navigated there, go ahead and select Zendesk Support Apps. This is where you'll see all the apps you currently have installed, and there's also an option to visit the Marketplace to discover new ones. Let's head there, and in the Marketplace, type Wrangle into the search bar. Now, follow the instructions provided to install the app. You'll then need to choose the Zendesk workspace where you want to add Wrangle support. Next, we need to input some important details: the API token, Slack workspace ID, and Slack user ID, all of which can be found in your Wrangle dashboard. In your Wrangle dashboard, head over to API Integrations and copy the API token you'll find under the API tab. We'll use this API token along with the Slack workspace ID and Slack user ID to fill out the Wrangle app details in Zendesk. Once you've got that information copied, it's time to enter it. With all the necessary information on hand, let's go ahead and finalize the installation. Now that the Zendesk Wrangle app is installed, we can begin pushing Zendesk tickets directly to Slack. Let me show you how it's done. In Zendesk, I have a ticket that's ready to be sent over to Slack using Wrangle. Over on the right-hand side, I'll open my app drawer where I'll now see that Wrangle is installed. All I need to do is select this ticket to send to Wrangle and choose the appropriate inbox for it. At this point, the ticket is now in Slack and in Wrangle, and I have a direct link to the Slack thread. As you can see, the ticket is mirrored in both Wrangle and Zendesk. Any updates I make here are instantly reflected across Zendesk, Slack, and Wrangle. As demonstrated, this ticket is housed in Wrangle, and every modification is simultaneously updated across Zendesk, Slack, and Wrangle. Agent comments, as you see, replicate in Zendesk, Slack, and Wrangle, and the status is synced as well. That's how you mirror tickets across Slack, Wrangle, and Zendesk using the Wrangle app.